Purnima Devi, whose maiden name was Sudakshina Devi, was the youngest child of noted Brahmo Hemendranath Tagore and was the niece of Rabindranath Tagore, thus part of the main Tagore family. She recognized the immense value of the Tagore household recipes passed down through generations. Purnima Devi was the author of Thakur Barir Ranna, which translates to cooking in the Tagore household. Thakur Barir Ranna was not just another cookbook, it was a treasure trove of memories. It was a journey through time and taste, capturing the essence of Bangla culinary traditions. Purnima Tagore's book became more than just a collection of recipes, it was a cultural artifact. An intriguing aspect of Purnima Tagore's book was her approach to measurements. Do you know she did not mention the exact measurements? They were often omitted from the recipes in the book. This secrecy around ingredient proportions was not accidental. In Bangla cooking tradition, exact measurements were rarely used. The lack of precise measurements added an element of challenge to the recipes. It encouraged cooks to experiment and trust their instincts. This mystery in measurements also served another purpose. It kept the family recipes truly secret. It was a clever way of preserving the family's culinary legacy. Among the many recipes in Thakur Barir Ranna, one stands out for its simplicity and flavor. Recipe of the week. It's the Purnima Tagore's beguni, or fried aubergines stuffed with coconut, ideal to be savored during the Indian monsoon. The ingredients for Thakur Barir beguni or stuffed aubergines are medium-sized aubergines, brinjals, 1 cup freshly grated coconut, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teacup of gram flour, 1 tablespoon rice flour, 1 cup mustard oil, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon nigella seeds, salt to taste. Method. First, let's prepare our aubergines. Wash them thoroughly and pat dry. Cut them into discs, 2 inches thick. Now make a deep cut in each of the discs, being careful not to cut through the skin. Season with salt and leave aside for 20 minutes. All the moisture from the aubergines will be released. For our stuffing, blend the grated coconut, mustard seeds, green chilies, add salt. Now comes the fun part, stuffing our aubergines. Gently open the cuts we made and generously fill them with our coconut mixture. Make sure it's well packed, but be careful not to break the aubergine. Make a paste of the gram flour, rice flour, turmeric powder, red chili powder, nigella seeds and salt. Gradually add the water to make a thin paste. Heat mustard oil in a large pan or kadai. Once it's hot, dip the stuffed aubergines in the gram flour paste. Turn down the heat and fry the aubergines on medium heat, turning gently every few minutes. We want them to be golden brown on all sides and cooked through. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Your crispy aubergines are ready. Once they're done, remove from heat and serve hot with masala tea. Food fact: this is a pure vegetarian recipe. Calorific value is 170 calories per portion. Food trivia: brinjal or aubergine has a very low glycemic index. It is high in fiber. For our fish lovers, a variation: add half cup shelled parboiled shrimps to the coconut paste, mustard and green chilies, and coarsely blend. Dip the aubergines in the gram flour batter and fry until crisp. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Tune in next Sunday for an innovative recipe from Pragya Shundri Debi. Thank you for watching.